Hello guys, welcome back to our channel One Two Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can redeem your Apple ID balance. So in order to do that, first of all, you need to be in the app library, and after that, you just need to find App Store. It's right over here and tap on it. And once you're in the App Store, just scroll all the way down till you find this option that says redeem right above the terms and conditions. Just tap on it. And guys, if you have a gift card, you can use the camera on your device and redeem Apple ID balance, or you can also redeem it through you can just enter your code manually and you can just redeem it that way too. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, please leave a like and drop a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.